back today with another video. Don't mind the blue tongue, I stole some of Mackenzie's Halloween candy. So I am so sick and tired of like my junky bathroom. In my house I only have one bathroom, so when this bathroom gets junky, first of all, I'm embarrassed to let any guests use it, and then second of all, you can't function. So today we're going to be doing a clean with me video. All of the products came from Dollar Tree. Here comes Oreo. Hi Oreo. Hello. Hello. Say hi. She loves the camera. So guys, before we actually get started cleaning, I attempted to replace the light bulbs. The part that sucks is that I just replaced these like last summer, so they technically shouldn't be out already. They're supposed to last 10 years. The joys of home ownership. So guys, my first favorite Dollar Tree product are these Clorox wipes. You get 15 in a pack for $1. Really like them because they're super handy, especially since Corona is going around. You're able to wipe off doorknobs, handles, light fixtures, faucets, toilet handles. You can disinfect surfaces very quickly with them. And I love the fact that they are Clorox and you can find them at the Dollar Tree. And Dollar Tree is literally minutes from my house, so these are a must-have for my cleaning repertoire. So guys, just as a warning, I do not recommend you to flush these Clorox wipes in the toilet. Wipes can cause massive plumbing issues that can cost you thousands of dollars. So please don't flush them, just throw them away in the trash. I love this marble top table in my bathroom. I like to put candles on it. My laptop often rests while I'm watching something on YouTube. I even put my bath salts, a drink, whatever you can think of. So this table gets a lot of use. And these Clorox wipes are perfect for quickly cleaning and sanitizing it. So guys, I was so happy when the Dollar Tree started selling name brand cleaners because this Lysol toilet cleaner is my absolute favorite. I love the purple color and it actually smells really, really amazing. There's some things that I don't mind using the generics of, but cleaning products is just simply not one of them. I like to allow the cleaner to marinate for a few minutes and then move on to work on something else. Y'all, for 2021, I am manifesting a maid because I hate cleaning. I think the hardest part about cleaning for me is where to place all of the random items. That really sometimes just has me stuck and then I don't do anything. So to clean this tub, we're going to be using LA's Totally Awesome. It's one of my favorite cleaners. It's great for degreasing. That line that you see around the tub is from me washing my hair. Some people may think it's gross, but when I get really lazy, I just like lay in the tub and wash my hair and then take a shower. So I'm going to be spraying this degreaser all over. That way I could easily clean all of this dirt and hair out of the tub. So Awesome doesn't typically need to sit or anything, but I like to allow it to sit for a few minutes because the grease really breaks up and it makes it a little bit easier to rinse off. But you can just spray it and immediately start scrubbing. But I'm moving back to the toilet because sometimes I find that the Lysol cleaner does get a little hard if you let it sit too long. So this is like my favorite part. I don't know why cleaning the toilet is so satisfying. So guys, I totally forgot to record myself cleaning out the tub, but yeah, it came off pretty easy with just a sponge. So now I'm using the Totally Awesome vinegar cleaner, and I really like this because it really helps to shine up any metal surfaces that you have in your bathroom. What I also like to do is take an old toothbrush and kind of scrub around those fixtures, and it really helps to break up any dirt and gross grime that's like trapped in between the metal and the tub surface. And I really feel like the vinegar cleaner just does a great job like cleaning these areas. So that's why it is my favorite. It works pretty much like the Awesome, except it has like a vinegar based smell. So you may want to take like some Fabuloso or some pine salt and go over the area after that because it doesn't smell as pleasant as I would like. I mentioned earlier that I only like name brand cleaning products, but I had to grab this glass cleaner in a pinch, and it's a vinegar based glass cleaner from Dollar Tree. I really like it actually because it's super like streak free, so it did a great job cleaning this mirror in my bathroom. The brand that I like to buy is by Sprayway, and it's a foaming glass cleaner you can pick up pretty much anywhere, but Dollar Tree doesn't sell that, and I really didn't feel like going to Walmart or Family Dollar or something like that. So I grabbed this glass cleaner and prayed that it worked, and I was super satisfied with the result. So I actually use it quite often in my cleaning regimen now. So the last thing I'm doing in this video, guys, which I should have done this first, but I kind of forgot, is I'm filling up this Ziploc bag with the vinegar cleaner. And what I'm going to be doing is tying it around the shower head. The shower head had a little bit of like a rusty kind of buildup. And so I wanted to go ahead and clean that off without scrubbing. And I saw this hack on Pinterest and wanted to try it. I didn't provide footage of the after, but I just want to let you guys know that it truly works. So that concludes today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this clean with me using my favorite Dollar Tree products. I forgot to mention that the sponges that I use are from Dollar Tree as well. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and press that little bell button. That way you'll be notified when I post more videos. If you guys want to see me clean something else, comment down below which room you would like to see me clean next. And also, tell me you guys' favorite cleaning products, because in 2021, I really just want to get better at cleaning my house more often. And so I know with the right products, it will make the job easier and maybe I'll be more motivated. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.